Behold the mighty blade. Wait, no, that's just a sword. But this is Echinodorus, the botanical equivalent of a legendary weapon, first described in 1848 by botanist Richard Engelmann. The genus belongs to the Elismataceae family, a group of monocotyledonous aquatic plants known for their adaptability to submerged and emergent conditions. The Amazon sword plant, scientifically classified as Echinodorus, was originally thought to be multiple species, Echinodorus amazonicus and Echinodorus blaheri. But DNA analysis in 2008 confirmed they were all variations of Echinodorus grispachii. Its name derives from Greek echios, meaning leathern husk, or echinos, meaning hedgehog, and doros, meaning leathern bottle, referencing the rough texture of its fruit. Unlike the steel sword, which is forged in fire, the Amazon sword plant was sculpted by the currents of the Amazon River basin. Native to South America, it thrives in slow-moving freshwater systems, including floodplains, lakes, and tributaries. Its ability to grow both submerged and immersed makes it a versatile species, capable of adapting to seasonal water fluctuations. In its immersed form, it produces small, delicate white flowers arranged in whorls along an emergent stalk, a reproductive strategy that allows it to colonize new areas quite efficiently. In the wild, Echinodorus is more than just a pretty leaf. It's a keystone species. It provides shelter for fish, turtles, and invertebrates while also playing a crucial role in nutrient cycling, such as oxygenation. Through photosynthesis, it releases oxygen into the water, benefiting aquatic life. Nutrient absorption. It absorbs excess nitrogen compounds, reducing harmful ammonia and nitrate levels. And habitat formation. Its broad leaves serve as spawning sites for egg-laying fish like angelfish and discus. And algae control. By competing for nutrients, it helps prevent algal blooms, maintaining water clarity. Unlike a real sword which requires sharpening, this botanical blade thrives with proper care. Substrate. A deep, nutrient-rich substrate, at least 2 to 4 inches to support its extensive, and I mean extensive, root system. Lighting. Moderate to high lighting, par about 50 to 100 for optimal growth. Water parameters, 6.5 to 8, maybe 8.5. Temperatures, anywhere from 55 to 83, and will tolerate soft to hard water, though it does prefer cooler water temperatures. You will get better results that way. Propagation. Through inflorescence, its runners form new plantlets that can be replanted or left to grow in a lush underwater forest. These plantlets can produce multiple new plants per nodular growth. From the depths of the Amazon to the glass confines of aquariums worldwide, Echinodorus remains an enduring symbol of aquatic beauty and ecological resilience. Whether you wield a steel blade or cultivate this botanical marvel, remember, true strength lies in adaptation and balance. Now, on to our next segment. Hey, also, don't go anywhere. Stick around. Y'all are about to witness one of the most interesting, the most colorful scientific rediscoveries in over 100 years. Stick around. Don't want to miss it. Forget apex predators and charismatic megafauna. The real rulers of freshwater ecosystems are tiny, often invisible, yet indispensable. From the open waters of lakes to the carefully curated ecosystems of aquariums, the micro life reigns supreme. Daphnia, yes, a proud member of the copepod clan, alongside their brethren like cyclops copepods, calanoid copepods, and harpacticoid copepods, form the biological scaffolding of aquatic food webs. These crustaceans are more than just fish snacks. For example, they help regulate algae. Copepods filter out excess phytoplankton, preventing algal blooms that deplete oxygen. They also help with nutrient cycling. By consuming detritus and bacteria, copepods convert waste into usable energy for higher trophic levels. Also assisting with oxygen production, indirectly assisting by keeping microbial populations in check, ensuring stable oxygen levels for aquatic respiration. And larval support, essential prey for newly hatched fish, amphibians, and even corals. But it doesn't end with copepods. Enter rotifers, nematodes, and tardigrades, the microscopic titans often overlooked yet crucial to aquatic ecosystem health. Rotifers, equipped with swirling corona-like cilia, act like tiny conveyor belts of nutrients. Their efficiency? Comparable to industrial-grade water purification, as they consume organic particles while keeping bacterial populations in equilibrium. Nematodes. These microscopic worms might not be glamorous, but they contribute significantly by decomposing organic matter and aerating sediment layers. Their ability to digest detritus and redistribute nutrients keeps aquatic ecosystems functioning smoothly. Tardigrades. Though not primary players in nutrient cycles, water drilling tardigrades, famous for surviving extreme conditions, offer unique insight into microbial resilience. Their ability to withstand dehydration and radiation makes them key subject in aquatic research. While these microscopic architects sculpt the aquatic world, a lethal force prowls among them, the dragonfly nymph. Nature's hydraulic-powered predator lurks in the shadows, waiting to unleash terror. Equipped with a hinge extendable lower jaw or labium, jet propulsion, and lightning reflex, this juvenile dragonfly is an apex ambush predator in miniature form. Its success rate? Yeah, nearly 80% lethal strike efficiency, higher than many large scale predators. Their prey range, consuming copepods, small fish, shrimp, tadpoles, and even mosquito larvae in cold calculated attacks. And by what method? By controlling internal water pressure, the nymph can launch itself forward while simultaneously firing its harpoon like labium to seize unsuspecting prey. Without these tiny organisms, ecosystems would collapse. They are hidden architects, maintaining balance beneath the surface, ensuring clear waters, thriving biodiversity, and optimal conditions. And while they sustain the aquatic world lurking in the murky depths, the dragonfly nymph ensures only the swift survive. Stay vigilant, water watchers, because even in the micro scale, survival is never guaranteed. Which aquatic micro creature intrigues you the most? Let us know down in the comments. Now, on to our next segment. It's not often that a species takes a century-long sabbatical and then casually reappears as if it never left, but that's exactly what has happened with the Fideniana unilineata, a nudibranch so elusive that marine scientists had all but written it off. First described in 1864 by British zoologist Joshua Alder and Albany Hancock, this translucent sea slug was lost to science until now. Gotta catch 'em all, but with science. Marine biologists searching the coast of Visakhapatnam, India, weren't exactly on the hunt for rare Pokemon, but they might as well have been. Nudibranches are the ultimate collectible creatures. Every species flaunts different colors, patterns, adaptations, making each find a monumental moment of discovery. And just like tracking elusive creatures in the wild, patience is required. When researchers stumbled upon a delicate translucent sea slug with white-tipped serrata, the excitement was palpable. It looked eerily similar to Fideniana unilineata, missing from scientific records for over 160 years, like uncovering a forgotten rare Pokemon card buried in an old shoebox in the back of your closet for 20 years. The nudibranch had quietly existed, waiting to be found again. Beyond their status as underwater collectibles, nudibranches play a crucial role in marine ecosystems. These gastropods aren't just pretty, they're predators, feeding on hydroids and corals while simultaneously serving as prey for fish and crustaceans. They also wield chemical defenses, much like Pokemon with special abilities. Some absorb toxins from their food and become poisonous themselves, an organic version of adapt and survive. Importantly, nudibranches function as ecological indicators. Their presence signals a balanced marine ecosystem. If they vanish, it's often a sign that their habitat is deteriorating. Finding the nudibranch suggests that parts of India's coastal waters still retain enough biodiversity to support specialized species like this one, a small but significant victory, protecting the Pokédex of the ocean. The rediscovery of Phydiana unilineata raises an important question. How many other species remain undiscovered or forgotten? Much like an incomplete Pokédex, our knowledge of marine biodiversity still has major gaps, and habitat destruction threatens the chance of filling those gaps. With increasing threats from pollution and many other things, protecting marine ecosystems isn't just about saving the big iconic species, it's about preserving the intricate food webs that sustain creatures as small and cryptic as this nudibranch. If we don't safeguard these habitats, future marine biologists won't get the thrill of discovering new species evolutions. The ocean is the ultimate open world game, and some creatures take way longer to spawn, or perhaps this slug took a 160-year sabbatical. What did you do with your time? Regardless of the tagline, one thing is clear when it comes to marine biodiversity: absence doesn't always mean extinction. It might just mean we need better exploration strategies. Time to level up, scientists.